Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely a must-have if you are traveling. Maybe you're going to the beach, maybe you're gonna go visit Europe, maybe you're just going on a walk in the woods or hanging out watching a sports game, and that is because it is a portable handheld fan. This was sent over by a company called Gaiatop. It's gonna come in this particular box, and the model is the HF19. So naturally it comes with a user manual. We're covering all the features here in the video. You're also gonna get a USB to USB-C cable here. This is how you're gonna charge up the rechargeable battery that's built into this. It does have a 4,000 mAh battery. What does that mean? Depending on your fan setting, if you're utilizing on low, you're gonna get 15 hours out of this thing, so a long battery life. Now it also does come with this nice, super long lanyard. So if you do, like let's say you're going to an amusement park or like I said, a hike, and you wanna go ahead and have it strapped around your neck and basically have hands free, you can do that because it does have this. It even has the little adjustable cord here, so you can make it longer or shorter as needed. And as you can see, this thing gets super, super long. So very nice aspect of it, like I said, if you want to go with a hands-free setup. But this is what it looks like. So you got the little end pieces here. That's what you use to put on the lanyard. You can keep these on, remove them however you want. On the side is the USB-C port where you're gonna charge up that battery. Fits comfortable in the hand. Very, very easy to hold. Now it's gonna rotate essentially 180 degrees. Now that's important because while you're holding it, you can easily angle it whatever position you want, or if you're sitting on a desk, you can set it down and then also angle it if you wish to do it that way. So it's kind of multi-versatile utilizing it, if you will. Now, as far as the motor itself, it is a brushless motor. On the low end, it's pretty quiet and does get a little loud on the high end, but this thing can pump out a lot of air. So it is a 16,500 RPMs on the maximum setting, which can throw the air up to 28 feet per second. So like I said, that's a lot of air. It's gonna be able to easily cool you down, which is absolutely nice in the hot summer months. Now it does very easy to control. There is a little switch on the back. Go ahead and press that and it will turn on. You'll notice there's a little LED screen right in the front, and that's gonna tell you how much battery life is left, and it's also gonna tell you what your various settings are. So this is on low. As you can hear, it's very, very, very quiet. Now you got the plus and minus buttons here right underneath the fan. When you press them, it's going to jump by 20 as far as the kind of movement of it. So you're gonna go to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So this is the maximum sound. So like I said, it's a lot louder, but once again, it's not like obtrusive if you are utilizing it. However, this is stepless as far as finding your perfect fan setting. So simply hold down the little buttons and you'll notice it's going to change down to whatever specific temperature or fan speed, I should say, that you want. So you can either use the stepless option or jump by the 20s, however you wish to utilize it, which is nice. So overall, like I said, if you're in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great fan to bring around with you, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.